On June 16th, the tranquility of Slough was shattered by a tragic rail accident involving the Great Western Railway. As the sun rose over the historic town, a devastating event unfolded that would leave a lasting mark on railway history. A Great Western Railway express train from London Paddington collided with a local train at Slough Station, resulting in 5 fatalities and injuring 35 others. This somber day forever changed the landscape of rail safety in the United Kingdom. In this documentary, we explore the events of that fateful day, examining the critical moments leading up to the collision and the aftermath. Join us as we journey back to that pivotal day in Slough, where a single moment altered the course of railway operations. Now, let us turn to the events leading to this catastrophic collision. As the express train from London Paddington approached Slough Station, a series of errors set the stage for disaster. It was a typical morning, with trains bustling through the Great Western Railway network. However, that day, a tragic sequence of missteps unfolded. Communication failures and human oversight led to a catastrophic collision. The express train, unable to halt in time, collided with the rear of a local service already stationed at Slough. The investigation later revealed critical technical details. The express train, traveling at high speed, faced a challenging braking scenario exacerbated by poor signal visibility and inadequate warning systems. These factors combined with procedural oversights to create a perfect storm. This accident highlighted the dire need for improved safety protocols, underscoring the fragility of rail safety in the face of human error and technical limitations. As we delve deeper into the events that followed, we see how this tragedy prompted essential changes in rail operations and safety measures, ensuring such an accident would not easily repeat itself. Let's now explore the immediate aftermath and its profound impact. The collision was devastating, resulting in the loss of 5 lives and injuring many more. Chaos ensued as the express train from London Paddington collided with the local train at Slough Station. Emergency services were quick to respond, rushing to the scene amidst the confusion and devastation. Firefighters, paramedics, and police worked tirelessly, pulling survivors from the wreckage and administering first aid on site. Amidst the chaos, stories of heroism emerged. Passengers who were able to walk assisted those trapped, while the emergency responders risked their own safety to save lives. The scene was one of both tragedy and resilience, as community members gathered to support the victims and their families. The collision highlighted significant gaps in rail safety protocols, prompting immediate attention from authorities. As the dust settled, it became clear that this tragic event would serve as a catalyst for change in railway operations. With lives lost and many injured, the aftermath of the Slough rail accident underscored the urgent need for improved safety measures. This pivotal moment in rail history set the stage for a thorough investigation into what went wrong, leading us to our next exploration. In the wake of the tragic Slough rail accident, an extensive investigation was launched to uncover the underlying causes. The inquiry delved into every aspect of the collision, revealing critical oversights that had gone unnoticed. Investigators identified several contributing factors, including lapses in communication and procedural errors. These findings painted a stark picture of the vulnerabilities within the rail system at the time. Through meticulous analysis, the investigation team pinpointed key areas needing improvement. The results of this investigation were pivotal. They led to a series of significant recommendations aimed at bolstering rail safety measures, including updates to signaling protocols, enhanced training for railway staff, and the implementation of more rigorous safety checks. The changes served as a proactive step toward preventing future tragedies. This segment of our documentary highlights not only the resolution of the investigation, but also underscores the importance of learning from past mistakes. As we move forward, we see how these recommendations have shaped modern rail safety standards, creating a safer environment for passengers and workers alike. Next, we explore the lasting legacy and impact of these safety improvements on today's rail systems. The Slough rail accident left a profound impact on rail safety, prompting crucial changes that reverberated through the industry. This tragic event became a catalyst for comprehensive safety reforms, ensuring that such a disaster would not be repeated. The immediate aftermath saw an overhaul in rail operations, emphasizing rigorous safety protocols and meticulous oversight. Over time, these changes became embedded in the fabric of railway operations, setting new standards for safety and efficiency. It's a sobering thought that it took a tragedy to spotlight the vulnerabilities within the system, yet it also serves as a testament to the industry's resilience and commitment to safeguarding passengers. The lessons learned from Slough resonate today, informing modern practices and technologies designed to prevent future incidents. As we conclude our journey through this historical event, let us remember the lives lost and the legacy they left behind. Their memory is honored through ongoing advancements in rail safety, ensuring safer journeys for generations to come. The Slough rail accident stands as a powerful reminder of the importance of vigilance and proactive measures in the quest for safer railways worldwide.